Welcome to a brand new episode, everyone. This week we're back onto big fish. This is Joe's biggest fish of the season up until this point. You've seen Joe in a few of our other videos over the last few months, but for this outing, Jake and Joe met up. They hit up a smaller river that was staying water, and they started casting down timber that was adjacent to a little bit deeper water. And those are two main things that we look for when we're searching out muskies on river systems. So down timber that's relating to the channel. This fish was caught on the day of full moon, and it ate a double tens black and nickel bucktail. I would say black and nickel is one of our top producing colors for fish. One last point I wanted to make is don't be afraid to fish the smaller to medium sized bodies of water. I think this video is proof that it can still grow big fish. I mean, you also take, for example, my 49.5, Jake's 47. Both of those muskies are northern Wisconsin fish that were caught on smaller to medium sized bodies of water. With the right food base and forage, it can definitely still grow them big. So, something to keep in mind as you're planning out your next adventure. With that being said, this is a quick fight, but it's a big fish and a beautiful fish. And I think you're gonna notice the rush that came along with this catch. So check it out.
Big one! Big one!
I got that.
Right away! Right away!
Holy cow, you got one over 32.
Yep. He came out of nowhere.
That's a big fish, dude. That is a big fish. Yes.
I'm gonna gather myself a little bit here. I'm gonna put the rod down. Back there. I was just looking down to.
Well, I didn't even see like you set the hook or anything. I just saw a fish.
That's pretty much all that happened. Next thing I knew,
Like I thought it was a follow, but then it started head shaking. I'm like,
you gotta set him down. 48 and a quarter. Good. That's a frickin' melon on her. Can you get that picture?
this is the only thing let me turn a little bit.
Okay.
So she's more in the sun.
I figured we had to get out here with the frickin'
Yeah, man.
Thanks, dude. I was just looking up because you said you raised one on the end of that stump, so I'm like, all right.
That wasn't the one I raised.
I was like, where should I cast next? And I look down and all I see is just she engulfed with it. That was awesome. We got a lot of time left.
Well, that concludes another big fish episode on Burnin' 8s. Definitely a cool experience for Jake and Joe. I mean, it was pretty much their first spot, and it wasn't very long into the trip that they caught this fish. So I guess that just goes to show you that you never know which cast will put that next big fish in the net for you. I mean, it motivates us to keep casting. Hopefully it motivates you guys too to keep chucking baits and chasing these fish. With that, we are out for this week. We gotta thank you guys for watching. We appreciate your viewership. We'll see you soon. This is Joe's biggest fish of the season up until this point. I guess that just goes to show you that you never know which fish. I mean, it keeps us motivated to cast. Black and nickel, I would say, is one of our top producers for fish. Also,